Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable PA system. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a voice amplifier from the company Winbridge, and this is the model S309, and this is actually an 8-watt powered speaker that's actually built into this voice amplifier. It's 2000 milliamps, so you can use it for a pretty decent amount of time. I think you can use it up to 12 hours on a single charge, and it takes about 3 hours to actually charge up fully when it's completely dead. It supports USB playback, it supports auxiliary cable or auxiliary inputs, so if you wanted to, you can connect an aux cable to this speaker and actually have it connected to like another audio source. So we're going to test out this voice amplifier. We're going to see how loud it can get, and we'll just conduct some tests with it just to see how this voice amplifier performs. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of voice amplifier. And then also product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this voice amplifier. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So you guys can see the box is fairly simple. There is a few specifications and details on the side, but what I'm going to do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. So on the front of the box, you guys can see it says original S309 voice amplifier. It says 8-watt power output. It's rechargeable. It's Type-C, so USB Type-C. It has a mute button, has aux, it has USB functionality as well, and this is from the company Winbridge, with a visual representation of the actual voice amplifier on the side. Here it just shows you a few different application usages. And on the back side, there's a vast list of specifications and features and technical stuff, if you guys want to take a look at that. And yeah, that's basically it for this box. So why don't we proceed with the unboxing? I'm going to open up the flap, pull back, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the user manual. But now, let's pull out the voice amplifier, and what I'm going to do is actually set this off to the side for now, and let's actually remove this compartment thing so we can take a look at all the different accessories. So let's start off with this USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, and this is obviously used to charge up your voice amplifier. We also have a lanyard. We have an auxiliary 3.5mm audio jack cable. Inside this bag, we actually get our power brick for our USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable that I just showed you guys. And then last but not least, inside this bag, we actually get included with the microphone. So this is like a headset kind of microphone, as you guys can see, but this would be plugged into the voice amplifier, and then you actually put this on top of your head, and then this would be used to actually amplify your voice. And you guys can see it's a really interesting microphone, and you can adjust it. The cable itself too is pretty long, so you can keep this from a distance away plugged into your voice amplifier. But now, let me actually unwrap this voice amplifier, and you guys can see, wow, this is how the voice amplifier looks. You guys can see we have all our speakers and stuff, has the company's branding right there, and it honestly looks really nice with the design and everything. It's a very simple design, but I love the look of it. On this side, you guys can see we have our aux input, our mic jack, so you can actually plug in this headset that I just showed you guys. On this side, we have our DC in, or it's also our USB Type-C cable. You plug this in to charge it up, and then we have our USB port that you can use to actually, supply a USB flash drive to play music off of it. Because with this voice amplifier, you can actually have music playing as you're speaking through this voice amplifier, I should say. And then on the back side, you guys can see we have our clip, and this clip is just used to, clip this onto your side of your belt or your pocket. So depending on how you configure your voice amplifier onto your body, you can use this clip, or you can utilize the lanyard, because you guys can see we have some rings on the side, so you can actually attach attach this onto the landlord and then have this kind of off to your side as well. So there's a few different ways you can actually connect this to your body. And then on the top, we have all our different media functionalities. We have our modes, we have our volume down, we have our play and pause and mute button on the middle. We also have our volume up button and then our power on and off button off to the side. So it's a very interesting voice amplifier, but I really do like the look and design of it. It looks really nice, minimalistic, and just very simple, which is a good thing to see. But why don't we actually proceed to the testing out and actually demonstrating of this product. So the first thing I want to do is actually untie our microphone, and once you have the cable unwrapped and ready to go, you want to plug this into your mic port, just like so. So now this voice amplifier is connected with this microphone. As soon as I turn this on, it should be able to capture my voice. So what I want to do is actually now attach this onto me, kind of fit it onto me, sit on top of my head. But now, why don't we actually power on this voice amplifier? So yeah, this is how the voice amplifier looks like. What I'm going to do is actually increase the volume all the way up. So this is, let's see, is that max volume? I think that's max volume. So this is the loudest that this voice amplifier can actually go to. And you guys can see it's really doing a good job of amplifying my voice. And I do want to mention, like if you are going to utilize this, don't get extremely close to your microphone or else you're going to get interference. So be mindful about that. But obviously, if you're going to be utilizing a voice amplifier, you're going to have it onto the side of your body or you're going to have it away from you. So you don't really have to worry about interference. But you guys can see it is very, very loud. It's amplifying my voice. And this is definitely perfect for those who are trying to instruct a class or trying to get the attention of many people at the same time. And especially if you have, let's say, a more quieter voice, or you're somebody who tends to speak a lot in front of people, your voice may tend to strain out after some time. So having something like this can be really beneficial and kind of giving you some sort of relief, where you don't have to kind of project your voice extremely loud. So very, very interesting. You can decrease the volume too if you needed to. So if you don't want it extremely high, I can just take it down just like so. And I can also increase it back up. And you guys will see the volume starts picking up and it does that beeping noise letting you know it is at max volume. But why don't we go get a USB flash drive? I'm going to actually connect this USB flash drive onto this voice amplifier so we can kind of have some music playing in the background just to see how it sounds with music in the background. And you just need to simply plug it in to the side of the voice amplifier. There we go. And let's see. You guys can see it's already playing music. And what I like about this voice amplifier, as you guys can notice, you can speak and have music playing. So let's just kind of listen to the sound quality with music playing, and then I'll decrease the volume of the song. But so far, the sound quality is pretty good. Yeah, sounds pretty good though. And you guys can see it's very loud. I can actually feel the wind coming out of this. So the 8 watts speaker that's actually built into this voice amplifier is, trying to pump out as much loudness as it can. So very, very impressive. And let me see. Pause. I think I just paused the music. And what happens if I decrease the volume? Oh, so that's a previous track. Let me decrease the volume. But it looks like when I decrease the volume, it also decreases the volume of the voice amplifier. So I'm not exactly sure if there's a way to, kind of adjust the music volume without actually, messing up your voice amplifier's volume. So that's something you might need to keep in mind if you are going to take a look at this voice amplifier. Let me click on the different mode button real quick. And I think the different mode button is for auxiliary input. So if you had an aux port or an aux cable connected to this voice amplifier, it's actually going to, start playing music or playing the audio off of this voice amplifier. So do keep that in mind. And if I click the M button again, I'm pretty sure it's going to send us back to USB mode. And it does. And I can skip track, go to the next track, you know. So you do have that functionality. You can be able to kind of navigate through the all the songs and stuff that you have with this with the USB or whatever you're connected to this voice amplifier. I think you guys kind of got the point of the music, so I'm going to pause the music. And yeah, this voice amplifier does a pretty fantastic job. You guys can see with our simple tests that we just conducted, this voice amplifier is pretty loud. But what I'm going to do is actually include a clip right here of us testing this out outside. So we're currently outside. We're going to be testing out this Winbridge S309 portable PA system. And you guys can see it's extremely windy right now, so we're going to see how the wind has an effect on this PA system. And what I'm going to do is actually power it on. Should power on here. There we go. And right now my voice is being amplified by this PA system. I'm going to turn up my volume. So you guys can see my voice is being amplified. And you can actually hear a little bit of the wind effect, so I do apologize for that, but hopefully when you're all going to be using this PA system, you're not going to really have, a windy day like this, but it's extremely windy today. And with this PA system, you do have a clip right here, so if I wanted to, I can clip this onto my shorts pocket so that it can kind of keep my hands free and I can kind of, talk and do gestures and stuff like that. And you also have the ability to actually utilize this strap, so you can actually hold, put this on your neck and kind of have it hanging like this too. So you have a few different options of how you want to kind of carry this PA system around as you're using it. But me personally, I think I would probably use it with being in my pants pocket like this, just so I can kind of move around and still talk to my audience or whoever I'm trying to kind of get attention onto. So my testing part of the video, I showed you guys you can play music, you can talk to people as you're playing music. You also have Bluetooth, and then there's also USB input. So there's a lot of different things you can actually do with this PA system and actually utilize as you're using it, making it really, really nice. It's a speaker, but it allows you to actually amplify your voice as well. So I think that's going to conclude our testing and demonstration of this product. And right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this Winbridge S309 voice amplifier? Well, you guys can see it does a fantastic job, especially this is a product for those who do a lot of talking or instructing or teaching, because this can allow you to amplify your voice, and it allows you to be a lot louder than having to actually use the energy to be loud. So there's a lot of practical uses for a product like this. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and then also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of portable voice amplifier. And then also our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys are all welcome to reach out through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this voice amplifier. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.